HTVRONT Automatic Heat Press 2 stands out with its customizable pressure system, offering up to 80 kilograms of pressing force. I have provided the link to this heat press machine in the description below if you want to know how much it costs. Its improved mechanical design allows creators to apply consistent pressure without manual strain, ensuring that each project comes out clean and professional, whether working on flat tees or bulky hoodies. This level of pressure flexibility removes one of the most common issues in heat transfer: insufficient or uneven pressure, making it a reliable companion for serious crafters or small business owners. The HTVRONT Heat Press 2 also boasts an increased pressing height, now accommodating materials up to 4.5 centimeters, 1.77 inches, thick. This opens up possibilities for applying heat transfers not just to standard fabrics but also to layered or heavier items like sweatshirts, tote bags, and more complex textile designs. Paired with a large 15x15-inch heating plate and dual-tube heating technology, the machine heats up 30% faster than standard models and ensures uniform heat distribution across every inch of your design. The consistent heating eliminates cold spots that can ruin a transfer, while the thermistor-controlled system helps maintain an optimal temperature throughout the press cycle. Adding further convenience and safety, the machine includes an automatic press and release system. Just press the R button and it completes the job for you while alerting you with a buzzer once done. The hand-free operation boosts workflow efficiency, especially when juggling multiple tasks. Its angle-adjustable display offers up to 75 degrees of tilt, making it easy to view and control settings ergonomically. And thanks to the auto shut-off feature, the unit powers down after 15 minutes of inactivity to prevent overheating risks. Compact yet powerful, this press takes minimal space and meets U.S. safety standards with FCC certification. With responsive customer support and a thoughtful design, HTVRONT ensures every creator has the tools to succeed in their heat transfer journey.